Mycotoxins are toxins produced by mold during warm and humid conditions. They can be introduced into foods during food harvest, processing, and packaging. Ochratoxin is produced by Penicillium and Aspergillus molds and can impact animal and human health. Therefore, it is important to monitor the levels present in food and feed products. Ochratoxin may occur in numerous commodities, including cereals, coffee, dried fruits, wine and spices. R-Biopharm Rhone offers a wide range of test kits for the analysis of ochratoxin, including qualitative screening kits, immunoaffinity columns and immunoaffinity cartridges, which are used with our automated handling system, Connect Symbiosis Reader Crest. The easy-to-handle card tests from R-Biopharm are a suitable, fast option for the analysis of mycotoxins in a range of commodities. OchraCard is a versatile kit which has been validated for a range of samples and is of particular benefit when screening more complex samples such as spices and coffee. The cleanup column provided with the test kit ensures that all colored pigments are removed from the sample extract, enabling it to be applied to the port of the test card without any issues from interfering components. To obtain good reliable results consistently, it is necessary to ensure that a suitable sample extraction and cleanup method are employed. Immunoaffinity columns such as OchraPrep and Rhone completely remove any sample matrix prior to HPLC or LC-MS detection, resulting in excellent recoveries and low percentage RSD. With over 30 optimized methods available for a wide range of commodities, we have made it even easier for you to analyze your samples with confidence. For laboratories looking to harmonize methods, there are also a range of multi-toxin columns. Multi-toxin columns can assist with time pressures in the laboratory and help manage staff and general costs. As more and more samples are having to be analyzed for more than one mycotoxin, it makes sense to try and harmonize methods, reducing time spent on extractions and ultimately the cost of consumables. Automated solutions are also available to effectively manage high-volume throughput whilst maintaining quality. This can be achieved with the Connect Symbiosis Reader Crest handling system. 2 immunoaffinity cartridges are used simultaneously, which reduces time of analysis and increases sample throughput. R-Biopharm Rhone, making analysis easy. From helping you to select the right test kit for your requirement to providing technical support, we've got you covered. For further information, please contact us.